how to log in to Webull account. So if you want to log in to your Webull account, then first of all, open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Webull. And here you can go for the first search, which is www.webull.com, and it will take you to the website. So now you can simply go for login, which is here on the upper right. Click on the login. And to log into your account, you can scan QR code to log in. Or if you don't have an account, then you can go for sign up, and then you can create your account on Webull. But if you already have an account, then you can simply enter your mobile number and then your password. But if you don't want to enter your mobile number, then you can choose email login, and here you need to enter your email. And after entering your email, here you need to enter your password. But if you forgot your username or if you forgot your password, then you can simply go for forgot password. Click on forgot password, and then you need to click on phone or email verification so that you will receive a code or a link to your phone or email so that you can verify your identity and you can log into your account, or you can reset your password. But if you remember your password, then simply go back to the login page and enter your mobile number or your email address, and then here you need to enter your password, and you can simply click on login, and after clicking on login you will be logged into your Webull account. So that's it. That's how you log into your Webull account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.